Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make the Nigerian peppered meat. So to making this recipe, here are the ingredients we'll be needing. This is our beef. We'll be cutting it into sizes of choice and wash, then spice the meat. This is our pepper. I have green pepper here, red bonnet, shombo, carrots, and white and red onion. So we'll be coarsely blending this. For the green pepper, we'll be chopping it. So here are the spices to be using. I have rosemary spice, powdered turmeric, powdered curry, then fresh ginger and garlic with my seasoning cube. The next is the vegetable oil we'll be using. Let's get started. So like I said earlier, we'll be spicing up our meat. I've added sliced onion. I've added the rosemary spice. This is the powdered turmeric. I'm adding the powdered turmeric. Add your curry powder also. They have almost the same color. Add your salt. And then the ginger and garlic. So the ginger and garlic was grated. Then you add your seasoning cube and work with your hands. Work very well with your hands and leave for about 30 minutes to absorb the spices. So for 30 minutes, the next thing you need is to cook your meat. No water was added, so it's the water in the meat. So this is the meat is almost dried up. The meat should absorb the water. Sorry. So as you guys can see, it's almost as absorbed. The water is almost absorbed. So the next thing we're doing is to fry our meat. And the meat shouldn't be dried. Just fry for a few minutes. After that, the next thing we're doing is to add coarsely blended onion and fresh pepper. Then you add your chopped green pepper. Then give it a stir. You add your grated carrots. I love this because it gives me another unique flavor. I love the flavor of the carrots. Then we cover to simmer. And it's okay when the pepper mix is almost dried. The water in the mix is almost dried up. You add your seasoning cube, then salt, give it a stir again. And leave to simmer for some minutes. Then you add your already fried meat. Then you give it a stir and leave to simmer for some minutes. So please, for the recipe measurements, visit adasrecipes.com. So this is a simple recipe. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Love ya.